If any of you all call this honey, miso, salmon, I'm gonna lose my shit.
This requires exactly 0 cooking skills. If you can successfully set an oven, you can cook this. I often hate cooking for a living. The thing I sometimes enjoy, and that's learning from other cooks. Little side note, do not accidentally drop a whole package of angel hair pasta on your kitchen floor. I did this 2 weeks ago, and I'm still picking up little angel hair pasta pieces all over the place. You have to sit over them and meticulously get them with your little fingertips. Whoop, 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 whoop. What a pain in the ass. I think we can all eat a little healthier. But a lot of times we associate cooking healthy with a lot of extra work or dishes that are outside what the hell we know what we're doing, out of our skill set. Several years ago, I was making salmon for a lot of people, but I was running out of ways to do it that made it seem different. I was in a rut. This guy introduced me to the easiest way to make the best salmon imaginable. It takes is salmon and 2 ingredients, honey and white miso, or shiro miso. Miso is a traditional Japanese seasoning made from fermented soybeans and a koji fungus along with rice, barley, seaweed, or other ingredients. The saltiness of the miso pairs well with the sweetness of the honey and the natural butteriness of the salmon. And if you know me, you know I love simplicity. I don't own any proper furniture. I don't hang things on walls. I use golf towels as hand towels in my bathroom. This is not 3-star Michelin bullshit. Lightly rub the salmon with an equal mixture of honey and miso paste. I like the scaling of simplicity and good. I harshly veer away from very complicated and bad. If it's complicated, it better be mind-blowing. I just rub down about 100 or so salmon fillets, stick them in the oven, donezo. Place it in a 350-degree oven for exactly 12 minutes. 14 if you like your salmon very well done. It only dirties up 1/2 of the sheet pan. Is this a little country club 1957? You bet your sweet ass it is. Add a little melted butter with scallions and add a little lemon coil. Served with a little steamed broccoli and angel hair pasta.